Have you ever wanted an AI assistant that works right inside WhatsApp and helps with everything from homework to translations and daily tasks? Well, in today's video, we're taking a look at Luzia AI and seeing whether it's actually worth using in 2026. So what exactly is Luzia? Luzia is an AI assistant designed to make artificial intelligence simple and accessible for everyone. Instead of needing complicated setups, you can chat with Luzia through its mobile app and even through WhatsApp. That means you can ask questions, get help with studying, translate text, generate ideas, summarize information, and much more directly from your phone. One of the biggest reasons people are talking about Luzia is how easy it is to start using. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just open the app or WhatsApp chat and start asking questions like you would with a real person. Now, let's talk about some of its best features. First, Luzia can help with everyday productivity tasks. You can ask it to write emails, create schedules, generate ideas for projects, or help you organize your day. Second, it offers language translation and language learning support. This is useful for students, travelers, or anyone learning a new language. Another interesting feature is voice message transcription. Instead of listening to long audio messages, Luzia can convert them into text for you. It also includes image generation and web search capabilities, giving users more than just a basic chatbot experience. But what do real users think? Looking at user reviews, many people praise Luzia for being friendly, helpful, and surprisingly capable for a mostly free AI assistant. Students especially mention using it for homework, studying, and getting quick explanations. Some users even say it feels more conversational than other AI tools they have tried. On the downside, not every review is positive. Some users report that responses can sometimes be inaccurate or inconsistent. Others mention occasional slow performance and problems with certain features like image generation. There are also some complaints about accessibility issues for users who rely on screen readers or voice controls. So, is Luzia worth using in 2026? In my opinion, yes, especially if you're looking for a simple AI assistant that works across mobile devices and WhatsApp. It's easy to access, beginner-friendly, and offers a surprisingly wide range of features without requiring a large subscription fee. However, if you need highly advanced AI capabilities or professional-level accuracy for important work, you may still want to compare it with bigger AI platforms before relying on it completely. Overall, Luzia is a solid AI companion for students, casual users, and anyone who wants quick AI help throughout the day. If you want to try Luzia for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this review helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tool reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.